Hi, this is my brand new book, Drawing Cute Animals Shape by Shape. It's a book that shows you if you can draw a shape, a simple shape, circle, square, triangle, you can draw a cute animal. So I'm going to demonstrate from this book this animal that I call the Boohoo Bunny. They're all kind of cute and funny names and everything. The Boohoo Bunny is just a circle and some features. And once you have that circle right, you have the character. So let me put this trusty pad here. And we'll start with something that's a really popular shape for cartoon characters, which is the squashed oval. An oval can be up and down like this, kind of up and down, but this is a very popular type of shape. Okay, and we just sketch it, doesn't have to be perfect. Shape is just a starting point. All right, now we take the features, the eyes, and we put them down low. Want to draw a cute character, we use the proportions of where we draw the features, not just how we draw them. So this one is low down on the face, which will make it look very young and very cute. You can spread them far apart. It also is a good indicator that it's kind of a cute round head. And make the nose a little smaller, like a dot. You can't make them all the same size, otherwise it would look like the character has 3 eyes. All right, so that's good right there. How about a little mouth? A little mouth going like this, huh? Kind of like, not a big expression, just a little one. A little unhappy there, kind of perplexed. And bring the eyebrows in closer toward the center of the face. Like that, rather than out far. No neck, just the body, the shoulder area. And here we'll give a little teardrop like this. Very simple stuff. You don't need to be complicated when you're drawing from simple shapes. You can add also, if you like, 1 or 2 whiskers on the side, and we'll flop an ear over like this. Just flop it over and kind of define the interior like this. And you can shade that in if you like. I like to shade it in. And another one out this way. And shade that in too. See how simple it is? But it's really a very cute look. Give him a little bit of hair coming up here, just a little bit. Now I'm going to, now that I have the shape, I'm going to bring it out a little and make it a little bit fuzzy. You don't have to do that, but it's a kind of fun look. Once you have the shape, you can modify it a little bit. Okay, and there he is. The Boohoo Bunny. Well, I'll give him a little bit of an arm here. And a back. Like this. There you go. How do we do? Not too badly, huh? It's so simple. I think you're going to really like this book. Take care. Bye-bye.